Hey guys, today we got my semi truck with the cows. Okay, so wait 1 second. Okay, right now, what's smoking in my semi truck? I'm not first person. Actually, it's kind of like crazy because it's actually semi truck. Very loud. Now our problem. Now we have a problem. Let's get out of it. Okay. Problem solved. Here we go. No! Let me cut you off. Oh my god! Oh my god! I had to check on the horse. I had to check. Oh, are the horse okay? Wait. What happened to that guy? The semi-truck. Let me go check on that guy. At least. Okay. And the Jeep guy. But my semi-truck just like fell down the mountain. I was not looking. Holy crap. I need to go check. What has happened? Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a lot of damage, bro. Wait, the truck is... Where my truck is on? Yo! My semi-truck! Sorry, bro. I didn't saw you. Oh, it's fine. But the front is destroyed, bro. Really? Oh my god. Yo. I'm so sorry, bro. What about the Jeep guy? Where is he? There he is. Yo, you good? What happened?
Go back and, my engine's like...
Oh, it's clogging
down.
Let me see. Wait, get out for a sec. Can you get out for a second? I need to check something. I can't enter your car. I think you broke the door, bro. Like, actually.
Nah, bro. It, my engine broke. It like exploded bad.
Oh, frick.
So I tried checking it.
Wait, I'm calling the police, so we could get this figured out.
I'm gonna go in the gas station. I'm like only 11, bro. I have my driver's license.
How you got a driver's license as 11?
They tested me and they said I was perfect.
Damn. Bro, I was driving my semi-truck. Didn't you saw? I crashed into the front of him and I destroyed his truck.
Yeah, I'm in the gas station.
Alright. I just called the police so they could come check. He said that semi-truck driver said that was his brother in the police. His brother is a police, so his brother will be coming, aka his police brother. So that's the same. That's kind of the same. Okay, so right now we are just... What the? That's weird. I think the police will be coming. Let me call them. 911, what's your emergency? Yeah, I was driving my semi. There was another semi collide into. And my semi is right now fell down the mountain. So I kind of need you. Okay, coming. Don't worry. Okay, he's supposed to be coming. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the cops are here right now. I'm gonna talk to them. Hey, sir, what's the problem? Meanwhile, we were driving, and, while I worked in the cockpit because, I saw a check engine. No, actually, I saw, my check engine. So I looked at it for a second. I looked up, and guess what I saw? A Peterbilt 379 coming at me. I tried to avoid, but something was wrong with the steering. I crashed into the side of him and fell down the mountain like river, or like the river. Yeah, the mountain where the river is. Oh, okay. Yo, what happened? What's happening? Yeah, it's my truck crashed. Sir, you want to follow me to where my semi-truck is? Okay, you coming? I'm coming, wait 1 sec. Pretty slow walker. So, I'm coming. There you are. There's my semi-truck. Oh, that's a bad crash. I'm gonna go check the damages. What is it? What can I wear? W900. Okay. That's gonna cost a lot of money. $190,000 truck. It's the third most expensive truck in the world. Oh my God. Your front, the side of your front is like destroyed. Actually? Yeah, come, look. I'm coming. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of damage. I guess, let's go back up. Let me try to turn it on. Yeah, that thing is acting up, bro. Yeah, let's get out. Let's go back up. I'll be up there. I'm gonna go check on the cows. All right. I didn't know. You guys okay? Oh, some of them are dead, bro. Holy crap. Bro, my bullhorn. I got a Jeep. A Jeep crashed into the Peterbilt, and my Kenworth crashed into that Peterbilt, making a car crash. That's crazy. Okay, we're back at gas station. I think we could get this Peterbilt destroyed. This Peterbilt out. I think. Let's try to. Oh yeah, this is the brother's truck. Hey, police officer, what's up? Can you unlock your brother's truck and try to get in? Try to move the truck? Yeah. Hopefully it can move, because, oh. hazards at least. Okay. Yeah, that thing's destroyed. Let me try to push it. Pretty strong. Can't push this. Yeah, that Peterbilt is dead, bro. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll take you home because this guy will take you home, at least. Yeah, I'll take you home because your cutting horse, sadly, is destroyed. Yeah. I had another truck that's destroyed, aka the Mac. It's called a Mac. You wanna go see it? Oh yeah, let's go. Okay. You coming? Yeah. Okay, we're in. Here we go. I think, wasn't that Mac crash? I think I know. Let's just get that, bro. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so, you know where that mini house is by the trailer store? Or the semi-truck trailer store? You click on them? Yeah. Yeah, that's where it is. You have to take a left. You're like right next to it. So, the left. Okay, over here. Yep. And then you take a right after. Take a right. Alright. Nice.
I think we're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost here. Oh wait, this is the wrong way. I accidentally said it. I mean, so. Oh. Okay. Why are you going on 40? Wait, up. Frick, we broke the tree. But I guess I'll show you another day. Okay. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys had fun. Goodbye.